This video will show you how to delete reminders on an iPhone or iPad in detail. Part 1. How to delete reminders on iPhone or iPad from the Reminders app. The built-in Reminders app allows you to manage and delete reminders without the need for third-party tools. 1.1. How to delete a reminder on iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Reminders app on your iPhone or iPad. Step 2. Navigate to the list where the reminder is saved. Step 3. Find the reminder you want to delete. Step 4. Swipe left on the reminder to reveal the delete option. Step 5. Tap delete, and the reminder will be permanently removed from the list. 1.2. How to erase multiple reminders at once on iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Launch the Reminders app and tap on the list that holds the reminders you want to delete. Step 2. Then, tap the three dots icon in the top right corner. Step 3. From the menu, select items. Step 4. Pick the reminders you wish to remove, then tap delete at the bottom of the screen. 1.3. How to delete reminder lists on iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Reminders app and go to the main screen where all lists are displayed. Step 2. Locate the reminder list you want to delete. Step 3. Swipe left on the list to reveal the delete option. Step 4. Tap delete, then confirm your choice. Step 5. The entire list, along with all its reminders, will be removed from your device. 1.4. How to erase all completed reminders on iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Reminders app on your iPhone or iPad and navigate to the All section. Step 2. On iPhone or iPad, tap the three dots icon at the top and select Show Completed. Next, click the Clear button at the top. Step 3. You can choose All Completed to delete all completed reminders, or you can opt to delete only those completed reminders that are 1 month, 6 months, or a year old. Part 2. How to delete all reminders on iPhone or iPad unrecoverable. If your goal is to permanently erase reminders and make them unrecoverable, especially before selling or giving away your device, using a professional data erasing tool like Coolmuster iOS Eraser is the best solution. Step 1. Connect your iPhone or iPad to your computer using a USB cable. The program will automatically detect your device. Once connected, the main interface will open, allowing you to begin the erasure process. Step 2. Click the Erase button on the main interface. Select your desired security level low, medium, or high, then click OK to confirm. Step 3. In the confirmation box, type delete and click erase again. When prompted to confirm the permanent deletion of your device's data, click OK to proceed. Step 4. After the process is complete, all data on your device will be permanently erased and unrecoverable. You can then safely set up your iPhone or iPad.